What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel.
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing y'all how to refresh your knotless braids. So as y'all can see, like, my braids aren't really like, it's not really giving fresh, it's not really giving new. So we're just going to refresh our braids. Now, I do not wear middle parts, so the middle is not, you know, messed up. But this person messed up either, really, because I only wear it on this side, and I kind of sleep on this side too. So we're just gonna be like, I'm just gonna be teaching y'all how to refresh our braids. Now, the products that y'all gonna be needing is this edge, what is this? It's called 24-hour edge tamer, and it's by Eben. Y'all can get it from Beauty Supply, you know. And I have this edge toothbrush as well. You can also get it from the Beauty Supply store or order it or whatever you want to do. So the first thing that you want to do, obviously, is open up the edge stuff. Now, the girl who does my hair, it smells so good. The girl who does my hair, she actually create her own edge stuff. But the stuff that she uses in my hair smells like this. So, no, I'm just saying. I'm not gonna do that. But, so what you want to do, hold on. Because before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Because if you're not subscribed to me, then what are you watching for? What are you doing? Why aren't you subscribing? What's the problem? Okay, but so let's get straight into this video. So what you want to do is, I use this because, oh, I have a little hair. What you want to do is take some of this, and you just want to scoop it with this side right here, but you don't want to use a lot because it can be like product buildup, and you don't want product buildup. I don't want that. So I don't really use a lot. I just use this much. I don't really use a lot. But what you do is you take some and you take it on your hands. See, I don't do my edges, so I don't really care what my edges are doing. But you take some of this and you put it on the, you know, on the parts that need saving. So you can get a little bit more if you need it. And you put it like everywhere that needs saving, like I just said. And what you want to do is take this part, the brush side of your edge brush. Mine is kind of stiff because I don't know. Okay, anyway, so what you want to do is you want to just kind of like swoop it back into place, but you want to like do this method so we can like start to lay flat. You want to get near the part too, so the part can still look, you know, fresh. Then you want to take your hand and do it like I'm doing here, because the edge will dry faster and this slicks your hair. Rub it to the back to the braid. And as y'all can see, it's giving slick. So now that we're done with that, now we're gonna move on to this part. So as I said, like, do the same thing. Just take some of your little edge stuff. I prefer to use this one because it honestly works wonders. I actually used to use the the moray stuff, but it doesn't work like edge stuff. Like it doesn't lay your hair flat. All it does is oil back up. This stuff doesn't oil back up. So like I said, you just take it and you put it all over the part that needs saving. But don't use too much. You don't want it to turn white. Then you take this, like I said, and you then after that, like I said, we do the drying method. That's what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it the drying method because it dries the stuff and make sure it ain't going nowhere. So now, what is that giving? Is it giving save? So yeah, that's all that I really do. Like, I don't know, like edges, like I don't really do nothing to my edges. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, I just like leave them like this, really. Like, if there's, usually it'll be something to swoop, but I haven't really sweated. Like, my hair haven't really like came out of place like as quick as it usually does. So usually would be more hair right here on my on this part, and I'll usually like kind of like try to swoop it because I'm not no hairstylist and I don't know how to do no hair. But I'm not even gonna touch this side because
hey. Two-stepping kick. Two-stepping kick. Let's go.
okay guys, so that was like a little short video. Actually, we're not even done with this video. What am I talking about? The last step that you should be doing is going to wrap your hair. So I went all the way over there just to know. Okay, so what I usually use to wrap my hair down with is a do-rag or scarf, whatever. And I usually like, I'm gonna show y'all. So what I do is I take it and I kind of like, I fold it down like this, so it can be like as like, you know, like I don't know, small as possible. Like, I don't know, like as rectangle, I don't know. But I don't want it to be like big. I want it to be like this. I want it to be like, I don't want it to be like big and stuff. We just want it to be like this. So what I do is wrap it around my neck. I do like this. Then I do one of these. And I make sure it's on like the edge part. Then I hold my head in an awkward position. And then I start to wrap it like this. Ooh. Tie it like a shoelace, that's what I meant. Tie it like a shoelace. Then what you want to do is go do something else. Leave this on here for about a few minutes, as many minutes as you can. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all the results and stuff like that. So yeah, just stay right here or go do something. Go eat, go do your makeup, go call somebody, go, I don't know, just go run an errand, go, I don't know, just do something to distract you. Then we gonna come back and we gonna make sure it's refreshed. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Okay, so now I'm coming back. It wasn't even like at least 5 minutes. I came back like 2 minutes later. But we taking down our scarf. Y'all know how I be when y'all get scared of y'all scarf because y'all don't want it to like create fuzzies. Okay. As y'all can see, we back refreshed. And it took us a few minutes. So I'm gonna just put a before and after up here on the screen so y'all can see what we looking like. What we was looking like before and how we looking now because
that's gonna do it. Call me light up. Too bad, bitch too good. When you say fuck me, I tell them fuck me good. Check these niggas.
it's for sure getting refreshed. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys give this video a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, because if you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? Why are you not subscribed? Are we kind of beefing here? Like, tell me what's going on. Like, just tell me. Like, no, I'm just playing. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, all that stuff. Like I said, comment down below some video suggestions that I should do and that you guys want me to do, and I'll do it. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video, guys.
Okay, bye.